Hi everyone, my name is teacher Ilona Smith. So, YouTube channel's getting a bit of an update. I thought I'd let you all know. So, there are videos that I've been posting since 2021, 2022, and as we all know, the curriculum does change quite rapidly. It changes every year. If you're using the previous years, not much of a problem. 2-3 years ago, creates a bit of a problem. So every week I will be updating my older videos to give you the latest new content. So in some cases, the content might not have changed as much, but as you guys know, I want to make sure you get the accurate information, the correct information, and that you are well prepared for your exams. If my content is old, I feel I'm not doing a good job in keeping you up to date and informed with all the latest information for business studies. So please check it out. All my videos will have 2025 in the front, and those will be the latest new videos that have come up. I will keep my old ones as almost an archive if you do want to go and check those out. But from now on, I will be posting all the content that I haven't posted before. So it's exciting time because I'm going to have updated videos, new videos, and great news. I have decided, very nervous about this new chapter, but just as excited, I will also be posting videos in Afrikaans. As you all know, and as you may have picked up, I am English speaking. Of my family, I've got one side that's English and one side that's Afrikaans. So I've been brought up with the Afrikaans culture and background, and I can speak Afrikaans. So please do forgive me. Some words I do struggle with and some pronunciations. So I hope that I don't get ripped apart in the comments. But I just thought, I'm giving this to the learners in English. Why not do it for the Afrikaans? Because I feel as if I'm excluding you too. So join this chapter with me. It's going to be an exciting journey. I'm really looking forward to it. And once again, make sure you check out for the 2025 videos. Those are going to be all the latest videos. So each week, I'm going to try my best to re-record all the older ones, and I'm going to try and do it by date order so that you guys have new, fresh content with all the latest business studies information. I hope you guys enjoy. Please let me know which videos you're looking forward to with the update. And my Afrikaans learners, let me know what you think and let me know what your insight is, because I can't wait to take this journey along with you all. Thank you and bye for now.